Now that I'm a little bit more comfortable, hello YouTube, I'm Alston Animated, and welcome to my channel where I help you find success online. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to learn different ways to find success online. Alright, so in basic terms, affiliate marketing is the process of providing an affiliate link that is provided by a business to a customer looking to solve a problem. If the customer buys the product using the affiliate link, the content creator gets paid a commission. Now, do you want to know a dirty little secret about affiliate marketing? The secret is everyone is already using it. If a company links out to an external site like Amazon, they are doing affiliate marketing. So it's a good opportunity for you to do it as well. Also, it's important to note that affiliate marketing does not change the price of the product or service you're recommending. It's just an opportunity for content creators to get paid for creating content. All right, now let's look at a quick example. We're going to talk about Bradley, a content creator, which will be you, and a business owner. Bradley has a problem. He wants to lose 10 pounds in his right foot. So Bradley goes to YouTube or Google and searches how to lose 10 pounds in my right foot. The content creator, which will be you, creates pieces of content to solve that problem. For example, you may create a piece of content that says 10 ways to lose 10 pounds in your right foot. The content creator goes out and finds a company that is willing to pay for referring customers. Next, the business says, I will pay 4% for every bottle sold of the magic right foot shrinker. The content creator signs up for the company called footshrinkers.com and gets an affiliate link. The content creator then goes back, puts the newly received affiliate link in all of his content with a call to action. For example, click here to learn how to use 10 pounds in your right foot in 8 days. The customer views the content, finds the content valuable, and trusts the content creator, so they click the link and buy the product. So everybody wins in this situation. If you really think about it, it is great for all parties. It's great for the customer because the customer finally has that issue resolved. That customer may have been spending days, months, years, decades looking for a way to shrink his foot, looking for a way to lose 10 pounds in his right foot. And so now that he has that, the business owner wins because they have sold a product and they didn't have to hire an expensive marketing department. Just think about it. A huge company like Amazon will spend millions of dollars per year, either with a marketing department that is internal or contracting out that department. Instead of spending millions, they're only spending thousands, hundreds of thousands in order to get the same type of result. And the business owner also wins because now they have the customer contact information and they can sell that customer additional products or services. They can follow up with an email in 2 weeks and say, hey, if that foot shrinker pill didn't work, try this foot shrinker shake. It will work twice as fast and you'll be happier, and you may also lose a little bit of weight in your pinky as well. So that works for the business owner. The content creator wins because they have opened another revenue stream. If you think about it, in the past, before affiliate marketing really gained stream, the only way to make money online would be with ads or selling your own products. The cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can make good money recommending other products and services. The content creator also wins because they don't have to have physical inventory. That's not something they have to worry about. They can just focus on creating content. They don't have to worry about customer service. They don't really have to deal with any customers directly. And finally, the content creator wins because they can create content from anywhere in the world and they can help people from anywhere in the world. The cool thing with affiliate marketing is it works with every single niche, and the major players may not be the best affiliate marketing programs to sign up for. For example, everybody knows about Amazon and Amazon Associates, but there are hundreds, if not thousands, of other opportunities that are out there for you that can help you make more money. Amazon only pays between 4 and 10%. Sometimes it goes down to as low as 1.5%. If you spend 10 more minutes doing a little bit of legwork, you can find companies that will pay you 8%, 10%, 15% for recommending basically the same products. Here are a few other things that affiliate marketers will need to know to scale their business. One is keyword research, so that's basically finding out what customers are searching for. Email marketing. Email marketing is huge and important because most customers don't buy on the first go around. It takes between 5 and 12 touch points before a customer becomes a buyer, so it's important to get their email address. Next, they also need to get an understanding of niching down. If you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you are not going to be able to compete for a huge keyword like yoga or how to lose weight. You need to niche down so that there's less competition and you can get in front of customers that still need issues resolved. The final thing that you need to learn as a new affiliate marketer is analytics. Believe it or not, analytics will tell you everything that you need to know about the success or failure of your business. If your click-through rate is low, maybe you're not generating enough interest, you're not creating enough value, you really spend some time and learn the analytics.